Write a note. River Kaveri. River Kaveri is the third largest river in India. Its length is 765 meter. Kaveri passes Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur, Siragapattinam, Kumbakonam. The dams constructed across Kaveri in Tamil Nadu are Mettur Dam, Kalanai. The total area of land under agriculture is shrinking fast. What does it show? The total land area under agriculture is shrinking fast not only in Tamil Nadu but also throughout India. The number of marginal farmers has increased in India. In contrast, the number of marginal farmers is decreasing in Tamil Nadu. This shows that the farmers are doing other occupations. How is the productivity of crops? The productivity of crops continues to increase. For example, the productivity of paddy in 1965 to 1966 was 1409 kg. It increased to 2029 kg in 1975 to 76 and 2372 kg in 1985-1986. It increased to 2712 kg after a decade. The production was 4429 kg in the year 2014 to 2015. In the past 50 years, the productivity of paddy has increased more than 3 times. Answer detail. Write a note on micro irrigation. Micro irrigation technology is a very good remedial measure to tackle shortage in irrigational water. This irrigation technology helps to have a higher yield when compared to the traditional irrigation methods. As only a required amount of water is supplied at regular intervals, it increases the ability of water usage and productivity of the crop, resulting in reduction of labor expenses and weed growth in the field. The government has taken many measures to implement micro irrigation for proper distribution of water to crops that require more water. Explain the term virtual water. The term virtual water was introduced by Tony Allen in 1990. The water consumed in the production process of an agriculture or industrial product has been called the virtual water. It's a hidden flow of water when food or other commodities are traded from one place to another. For instance, it takes 1340 cubic meters of water to produce 1 metric ton of wheat. That is, if 1 metric ton of wheat is exported to another country, then it weighs that 1340 cubic meter of water used to cultivate this amount of wheat is also being exposed. India is the largest global freshwater user. India has been the fifth largest exporter of virtual water in the world.